In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning web banner for a fashion sale using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're promoting a seasonal sale or launching a new collection, a well-designed banner can make all the difference in catching your audience's attention. Let's get started by choosing a template or creating a new document. Launch Adobe Photoshop and decide whether you want to start with a pre-made template or a blank document. If you're creating a custom banner, go to File, select New, and input the desired dimensions. Typical web banners might be 728 by 90 pixels or 300 by 250 pixels, but ensure the size fits your specific needs. Next, we'll set up the canvas. Begin by ensuring your workspace is optimized for your workflow. Head to the window menu and arrange your panels. Make sure the layers, tools, and character panels are visible, as these will be crucial throughout the design process. You should also check the resolution settings, setting it preferably to 72 pixels inch, which is standard for web images. Now comes the exciting part, designing your banner's elements. Start by importing images of the fashion items you'll be promoting. Go to File, click on Place Embedded, and choose high-quality photos that represent the sale well. Make sure they're well lit and show the item's features clearly. Then, let's add some compelling text. Choose fonts and colors that complement your images and enhance your brand's identity. It's important to keep the text readable and professional, using bold styles or colors to emphasize crucial details like discounts or limited time offers. To make your design pop, incorporate additional design elements. This could include using shapes and lines to direct attention or adding icons that represent your brand or the fashion items. These elements should not overwhelm the images, but rather guide the viewer's eye and add visual interest. Also, carefully choose a cohesive color palette that reflects your brand's style and looks appealing to potential customers. After setting your design elements, the refining stage begins. Go back to your layers and organize them for better management. You may want to adjust the placement of certain elements to improve balance and flow in your design. This is also a great time to apply effects. Use Photoshop's layer styles to add drop shadows or glows, giving your text or images a three-dimensional look. With your design nearly complete, it's time to finalize and export. Double-check everything, ensuring the banner is clear, aesthetically pleasing, and effectively communicates your message. Once satisfied, save and export your banner. For the web, JPEG is a good choice for speedier loading, while PNG offers higher quality and maintains transparency if needed. And there you have it, a professional web banner ready to attract and inform your audience. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your own unique fashion sale banners.